Alright, today I'm going to show you the difference between the scan tool you can pick up from O'Reilly's. This one is the Innova or Novo or something like that, 1000. It's a Bluetooth connector that connects directly to your OBD port, and it'll pull your DTCs. And here we're going to hit check all systems. And I'm doing this to show you the difference between what $178 from O'Reilly's got me versus the $160, $170 I got from Amazon for the RD Diag 600S. Now, this is going to show you a bunch of stuff that it supposedly scans. We're going to go over the codes, and then we're going to compare to the RD Diag to see if there is a difference. Apparently it's going to take a while, so I'm going to pause this here, and when it's done we'll come back. Alright, it's got us back, and we're going to go ahead and enter our mileage because it usually gives recommendations on that. 460. Generate the port. And of course my check engine light is on, and so is my tire pressure monitoring system light. It's the only lights I have lit up on my dashboard at the moment. Alright, we got 2 codes in here. I need to go back and check that. I might have to change out a no 2 sensor. No codes on the ABS. That's because I got a problem with wiring under my passenger seat. That's the reason no one really sits in it. And then let's go other codes here. Body. And these are all the codes from this. I don't know why it's pulling the radio code. It hasn't been in there in a while, and this one works just fine. And of course on the bottom you see the tire pressure sensors, passenger presence system. That's because of the wiring under the seat. Parking assist module. I don't think I have an issue with no parking assist, but you never know. This could be it's a stored code, but these are stored codes. This is what it pulled up on there. And see what we got on the powertrain. Transmission fluid switch 5 low voltage and switch 4 low voltage, which means I need to mess with the Techum. These are saying it's failed since clear, which I just replaced that in intake camshaft position since we're not too long ago. Oil life, you got your oil life, your oil level, battery voltage, transmission fluid. Ain't no way in hell that I got 148 psi in my front 2 tires. That's just because it's faulty. But as you can see, it gives you all that, and of course you can do live data, and it'll show you whatever you select on here. And of course the top down does the same thing there. But we're going to go ahead, and as you can see it's some live data right there, but we're going to go ahead and switch over to the top down here. So I'll make that out. I'm going to pause it, switch over to the camera, that way we can show you what's going on. Now if you do have any other questions and you want to check some of these other ones here, you just let me know, and I'll go over it in a video for you. Just request